Hi everyone and welcome back. In new video today I'm going to present to you HydroPredict app. HydroPredict is an easy to use app designed to help industrial engineers, plant operators and maintenance teams predict internal pump leakage and hydraulic system failures before they happen, saving you time, money and unplanned downtime. Using advanced machine learning techniques, HydroPredict analyzes sensor data, mean values of vibration, pressure, and temperature to give fast, reliable predictions that help you make smarter maintenance decisions. For more details, please check the video description. Thank you and keep watching the video. You are going to see more details.